Good morning guys, or good afternoon wherever you are in the world. Now I've just set up the Weldmate welder and we'll be welding some brackets back onto this Land Rover here. I'll just switch the camera around so you can see what we're doing. Now it's important when you start some welding. Excuse me, and I just got over the lens of the camera, so just a minute. So this is the Land Rover in question, and set up the welder down here. So what we're doing is welding these brackets back onto the chassis. They originally were bolted. I don't know whether you can see the other side over there. They basically hold the step on, and I've already done this side. I just need to clean them up a bit, and then we can start on this side here. As you can see, I've propped it up with a trolley jack because it was easy. I'm working on the drive at the moment, and then I've got to weld it to the sill at that side and hopefully get it on secure enough to support the step. So I'm going to get it all set up now and show you a bit of welding. So there we go with the SiP Industrial Weldmate T141p welder, stick welder, arc welder, whichever you prefer to use. I generally call them stick welders. The only downside of this, and I mean I know it's just like a bit of a freebie they're thrown in, is this mask. It is a little bit flimsy, very plasticky, and although it's lightweight to hold, it was a little bit awkward trying to hold it and weld at the same time. So you probably might be better off investing in something a little bit better, more substantial should I say, rather than one of these. But it does do the job. It does protect your eyes from the arc and the bright light of the welds when you're trying to do it. But I found it very easy to use. I'm not a welder by no means. I just do a little bit. I've just been welding them brackets on, as you've just seen, and I'm no welder, but I did find it quite easy to use. Once you get it set up right, it will do the job if you are doing a little bit of a job. I just noticed on the top, I'll just camera around for you, on the top there, when you're adjusting the knob here, which adjusts the amperage, you've got it on 115 there. it does tell you which electrode. So you've got the 3.2, the 2.5, the 2 and the 1.6 electrodes there. So it does kind of like give you an idea where to set it when you're doing your own, which I found that quite helpful. As you see, I've got it set right up to the 3.2 mark. I found that worked quite well for what I was doing. So yeah, all in all, for $79.99, this is a good bit of kit. You can't really fault it at that. Like I say, you probably do need to get a better mask than that. But other than that, it's a very good purchase. So there you go. That is the Weldmate T141p arc or stick welder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. I'll do some more reviews of tools and that in the future. So keep your eyes on this channel.